How to fix story highlights not working problem in Instagram. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram and make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, you can see the profile icon which is in the right lower corner. Simply tap on that. After that, you have to tap on the hamburger option which is in the right upper corner. So tap on that. So here you'll be able to see the archive option. So tap on that. As you can see the story archive here, but if you want to see the post archive and live archive, then you can simply tap on the stories archive over here, and from here you can select them. Since we are looking for story archive, so you have to switch to story archive, and here you can see change archive controls in setting, which is written in blue letter. So tap on that. So here make sure that your story archive option is on. By doing that, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still unable to fix the problem, then the simple thing you can do is you have to go back to your home page and open up your Google Play Store. After that, in the search bar, tap and search for Instagram app. And if any updates are available, then you have to update the Instagram. This allows you to use the new features of the Instagram and also fix your problem. So by following this simple step, you can fix story highlights not working problem on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.